Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the world's top 5 best knock sensors for Chevy Silverado. Stay tuned to find out which ones made the cut. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and comment for more updates. Let's start. Number 1. Gledwin Dual Knock Sensors with Wiring Harness Kit is your go-to solution for optimal engine performance. This high-quality kit includes dual knock sensors and a durable wiring harness designed for precise detection of engine knock. The sensors are built to withstand extreme conditions, ensuring long-lasting reliability. The included wiring harness is pre-assembled for a hassle-free installation, saving you time and effort. Compatible with various vehicle models, this kit is essential for maintaining engine efficiency and preventing potential damage. Trust Gledwin for superior quality and performance in every drive. Number 2. Ignition Dual Knock Sensor Connectors with Wire Harness Kit. This high-quality kit ensures precise detection and response to engine knock, optimizing your engine's performance and longevity. Featuring durable, OEM-grade connectors and a robust wire harness, this kit guarantees reliable and efficient signal transmission. Easy to install with a plug-and-play design, it saves time and effort, making it perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. Enhance your engine's efficiency and protect it from damage with this essential upgrade from Ignition. Number 3. RLP Knock Sensor Kit with Wiring Harness. This high-quality kit includes precision-engineered sensors and a durable wiring harness, ensuring accurate detection of engine knocks for optimal performance. Designed for compatibility with a wide range of vehicles, the kit enhances fuel efficiency and prevents engine damage. Easy to install with direct-fit connectors, it saves time and effort in the garage. Trust RLP for reliable engine diagnostics and long-lasting durability. Enhance your vehicle's health with the RLP Knock Sensor Kit, ensuring smoother rides and greater peace of mind. Number 4. YCT Knock Sensor Wire Harness Kit compatible with a range of vehicles. This kit ensures seamless integration, boasting high-quality construction for lasting performance. Its compatibility spans various models, offering versatility for your automotive needs. The harness ensures a secure connection, eliminating signal interference for precise sensor readings. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design. Say goodbye to engine knock issues with the reliability of YCT. Upgrade your ride today with confidence. Number 5. Chenho Knock Sensor Wiring Harness. Engineered for precision and durability, this harness ensures seamless communication between your knock sensor and engine control unit. Crafted with high-quality materials, it guarantees reliable performance under all conditions. Its plug-and-play design simplifies installation, saving you time and hassle. Compatible with a wide range of vehicles, it's a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike. Say goodbye to engine knocking issues with the Chenho Knock Sensor Wiring Harness. Thanks for watching. We've reviewed the top knock sensors for the Chevy Silverado, highlighting their features and benefits. Choosing the right sensor can improve performance and prevent engine damage. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share for more update videos. Stay tuned for more tips and reviews on keeping your Silverado running smoothly.